Hello, green thumbs and eco warriors. Welcome to Soil Books, where I explore simple and sustainable ways to grow a greener future. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as rewarding as it is eco-friendly: how to create your own organic fertilizer at home. Did you know that you can turn everyday kitchen scraps and natural materials into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your plants? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make your own organic fertilizer that's not only effective but also free from harmful chemicals. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, let me ask you a quick question. What's the first thing you'd like to use to make organic fertilizer? Banana peels, eggshells, or coffee grounds? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's break it down. Organic fertilizer is like a superfood for your plants, and making it at home is easier than you think. Here's how you can do it. Here's why organic fertilizer is a game changer. Improves soil health. It enriches the soil with nutrients and improves its structure. Safe for the environment. No harmful chemicals that can pollute soil, water, or air. Cost effective. You can make it from materials you already have at home. Boosts plant growth, provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And the best part? It's super easy to make. Here's how to make your own organic fertilizer in 5 simple steps. Collect kitchen scraps. Save fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, tea bags, and eggshells. Create a compost pile or bin. Layer your scraps with brown materials like dry leaves, shredded paper, or cardboard. Add natural boosters. Mix in natural ingredients like banana peels for potassium, eggshells for calcium, and coffee grounds for nitrogen. Turn and aerate. Turn the pile every 1-2 weeks to introduce oxygen and speed up decomposition. Harvest your fertilizer. In 2-6 months, you'll have rich, dark compost ready to use in your garden. If you need fertilizer fast, here are 3 quick DIY recipes. Banana peel. Tea. Soak banana peels in water for a few days, then use the water to fertilize your plants. Eggshell powder. Crush dried eggshells into a fine powder and sprinkle it around your plants for a calcium boost. Coffee grounds. Mix used coffee grounds with water and use it to water your plants for a nitrogen boost. Now let's answer a quick question. Can you use homemade fertilizer for all plants? Absolutely. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or houseplants, organic fertilizer works wonders for all. So, here's my question for you. Which organic fertilizer recipe will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found these organic fertilizer tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Together, let's grow healthier, happier gardens and enjoy the freshest produce straight from our backyards. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay green, keep growing, and remember, the secret to a great harvest is right in your kitchen. See you soon.